Well, I don't represent the Islamic finance industry per se.
No, we don't. We are from the private sector. It's just our personal views.
Sure, disclaimer first.
Yep, disclaimer first. Richard, please switch off your recorder, yeah?
Well, Islamic finance, I think most of us who are familiar with it would know that it is largely dominated by banks. When I say largely, it's like almost everything. Banks and the capital markets. So very, very structured, very, very formal, very regulated, very heavy, very large, that kind of thing. So when you talk about entrepreneurship in Islamic finance, why is it that we don't talk about? Is it you want to know?
Why is it we don't talk about? Yeah.
I think the reality is that it's still very, very small or very negligible.
Let's try not to paint a beautiful picture.
Yeah. So negligible is an accurate representation. Entrepreneurship in Islamic finance is very much lacking because of many factors. But the reality is it is very much lacking, and that is a huge waste if it does not change fast. Because although in the past, for an entrepreneur, for a startup kind of guy to get into finance would be incredibly difficult. But today, with I would say, liberalization of finance, with fintech, with technology, with digital platforms, with commerce encroaching into the space of finance, with transport apps going into finance, so the whole landscape has changed. And we see today a lot of the finance leaders globally are entrepreneurs because they come from the tech scene. And that is just about to start, I think, or I believe. In Islamic finance, we are only in the past, I would say, 1.5 years, we start to see entrepreneurs coming up with new initiatives and products in the Islamic finance space. And it's very encouraging, but we are still very, very far behind.
Still a bit negligible because it's really immature. It started about 1 or 2 years ago.
Very early days, just 1-2 years ago.
So not much of a problem there. How about from a regulatory aspect? Perhaps Fazil, your experience with whole Islamic finance